Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an impressive piece of tech that can dramatically enhance your wireless connectivity. The TECHTOO WiFi Antenna 2.4 GHz 18 dBi high-gain Yagi Directional Antenna. If you're on the hunt for the best Yagi Wi-Fi antenna, look no further. This antenna is designed for users who require a powerful and efficient solution for extending their Wi-Fi coverage. With an 18 dBi gain, it boasts a long-range capability of up to 1,600 feet, making it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor use. What sets the TECHTOO Yagi antenna apart is its directional design. Unlike traditional omnidirectional antennas that broadcast signals in all directions, the Yagi design focuses the signal in a specific direction. This means that you'll get stronger reception when aimed towards your signal source. Whether it's a router, a security camera, or any other compatible device. Installation is a breeze. All you need to do is unscrew your existing antenna and replace it with this one, no software or complicated setup required. Just aim it toward the signal source, and you're ready to go. This makes it perfect for those who want a hassle-free installation without sacrificing performance. Not only is this antenna compatible with a wide range of devices, including desktop PCs, routers, USB Wi-Fi adapters, and even IP security cameras, but it's also built to last. Made from high-quality fiberglass, it's waterproof and durable, making it suitable for outdoor environments. The TECHTOO Wi-Fi antenna operates in the 2.4 GHz frequency range, covering all the essential frequencies for 2.4 GHz networking devices. However, keep in mind that this antenna does not support 5.8 GHz devices, so it's focused on enhancing your existing 2.4 GHz connections. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos, gaming, or simply browsing the internet, this antenna significantly boosts your Wi-Fi signal, reducing dead spots and improving connectivity throughout your home or office. In conclusion, the TECHTOO Yagi Wi-Fi antenna stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to improve their wireless experience. With its high gain, directional design, and robust build quality, it's an investment that pays off in performance and reliability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product critiques. This is your host from Product Critique, and until next time, stay connected.